Welcome to our tax and accounting channel. Today we are going to talk about taxes and the innocent spouse. I am Gary.Massey. I'm a CPA and the owner of a tax and accounting firm focused on the needs of small businesses and small business owners. I help taxpayers to save taxes and to stay out of IRS trouble. The subject that we are discussing today is innocent spouse relief. This happens when a married couple has filed a joint tax return and they are jointly liable for the tax on that return. However, one spouse feels that they should not be personally liable for the tax. There are three types of innocent spouse relief. The first we will call traditional innocent spouse relief. This is the situation where there is an understatement of income on a tax return and one of the spouses claims that they did not know about the income or they did not have reason to know about the income. This applies to people who are married as well as people who are divorced. They must request relief within 2 years of the start of collection activity. If they are successful in their claim for innocent spouse relief, the liability of tax will be allocated between the two members of the couple, and both will pay a portion of the tax, but it will be reallocated. There will be no free pass for the innocent spouse. They will end up paying at least part of the tax. The second type of innocent spouse relief is known as separation of liability. Here too, there is an understatement of income on a jointly filed tax return. However, what's unique in this category is it applies only to divorced or legally separated people. They must request relief within 2 years of the start of IRS collection activity. If they are successful in their claim for relief, they will be treated as if they had filed their tax return on the basis of married filing separately, and they will not be jointly liable for the tax. We find that this generally provides a better answer for our clients, especially those who are the non-income earning spouses. And then the third type of innocent spouse relief is called equitable relief. In this case, there is an understatement of income on the return, or the tax is correct but unpaid. So that's different than the other two categories that I mentioned before. There is no requirement to file for equitable relief within 2 years, also different than the two categories discussed previously. If the couple is successful in their claim, the IRS will examine the claim to see if, given all facts and circumstances, it would be inequitable to hold one spouse responsible for the tax of the other spouse. The IRS will consider marital status, economic hardship, knowledge or reason to know about the income, abuse, physical and mental health, as well as financial dominance. If the individual is successful in their claim for equitable relief, then the liability will be allocated among the spouses. I'm going to conclude now with a brief discussion of the injured spouse, which is different than innocent spouse. Under injured spouse, there is also a joint tax return. However, some or all of an expected refund from the IRS was taken to pay one spouse's tax liability. For example, if you have the situation where the IRS takes a refund owing to the couple that is related to back child support from a prior marriage. In that case, you can apply for injured spouse and the government will give that other spouse their share of the refund back. I hope you have found this video to be useful. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. We appreciate that. And subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave your comments in the section below. If you or someone who you know needs more personal attention on these matters, feel free to reach out to me by email or by going to our website and clicking on the Contact Us button. And then lastly, you are welcome to call my office and ask to speak with me personally. I will do my very best to assist you in your situation. For now, I wish you all the best, and I look forward to seeing you next time.